Hey, what's up, everyone? Um, Thanks for joining in yet again. And today I thought I was gonna practice some breath work. I was about to call it breath play. Don't even go there. Don't even go there. But some breath work. And the advice I would like to give anyone who's been following me right now, this helps in whether you're talking meditation, whether you're talking warming up for the gym, whether you're warming down after a gym session, and I would like to assume it's something that would help with your singing as well. And that's box breath patterns, box breath. So, just like a box, assuming that is the same shape as a square, your amount of time you're going to spend inhaling air, holding air, and releasing air are all going to be the same amount of time. So let me give an example. Let's just say if I were to tell you to do a 3-3-3 box breath pattern. Can't say box today, I don't know why. So you would inhale for 3 seconds, hold it for three, then exhale it for three. And it's really good in terms of getting oxygen into the lungs, oxygen into the bloodstream, oxygen to the brain, toning the vagal nerve, a lot of other things. I'm not a professional, so I'm sure you could easily look it up on the internet, the benefits of doing these box breath patterns. So for example, I'll do a 4x4 just for 2 reps. So I'll breathe in for 4. So you try take it in for 4, hold it for 4, release it for 4. So the second rep, and when you breathe, you try try extend your lungs as low as possible. Don't breathe into your chest. No shallow breath. No shallow breaths. Try dig in deep such that your belly even extends. Get a big stomach with all that air in. It'll put some pressure into your pelvic muscles. That's a deep breath. Then you hold it there, then you let it out. So work it slowly. Maybe start with 2-2-2, then 3-3-3, 4-4-4, 5-5-5. I mean, if you can box breath 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, then you're a god at that point. But try it out, see how it works for you. And the reason why I was thinking about doing box breaths today, I've been doing them the whole morning, is part of doing vocals, especially voiced false chord vocals, is that you need a lot of air when doing those things. So if you're not trained in metabolizing the oxygen into your blood, then I think you'll struggle having extended sets doing vocals. So this will help with extending how much time you can do your vocals, how long the set will be, and I guess the quality of the tone of your vocals, because usually you find that people's voice becomes shaky on an exhale low when they're running out of breath. So if you can retain breath and control it on its way out, where you can belt a note and do it gradually as you exhale and you've got control, then I'm sure you'll do great things. But that's what I'll be doing today. Thanks for watching. I won't be doing any vocals now. I'm feeling great, motherfucker. And yeah, most definitely tomorrow we're going to do the business. I'll check you out.